everyone, in today's video we're diving into a classic, Pong. We're bringing it to life on an ESP32 with a TFT LCD touchscreen. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into Arduino, this project is going to be a blast. And the best part, you can build this game just by following along with this video. So let's get started. First, let's grab all the parts you'll need. You'll need an ESP32, a breadboard, cables, and the display. Done. Now, let's wire it up. I've included a diagram here of the connections you need to make, so pause here if you need to follow. Once we're done, it should look something like this. Now for the fun part, the code. Here is the code you'll need to run this. As usual, you can find it in the description below. But before we upload it to the board, there's a few things we need to do. Open the library manager and make sure you have these libraries installed. The ESP32 touchscreen library, the Adafruit ILI 9341 library, and the Adafruit graphics library. And now we are ready to upload. As per usual, make sure you have your board selected and it is selected as the ESP32 Dev module. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and upload it. Let's hope I didn't miss a semicolon here, or this could get interesting. A little detail, for some models of the ESP32 board, you may need to hold down the boot button on the board for the upload to work. And there we go, the game is up and running. It's controlled entirely by touchscreen, so simply swipe your finger side to side to control your paddle. If you made this project, comment, subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching. Until next time, happy coding.